Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. So today I'm back with a little update and a haul. And so yes, I will be updating you on something really special I've been working on for a few months. So that's the release of my Vintage Crochet Series ebook, so I'm very excited about that. I have almost finished it. I'm hoping to release it next week or the week after at most, so watch this space. I thought I would talk about it today. And inside this book will be 16 of my most popular Vintage Crochet Series patterns, and I will try and pop some videos on the screen, or a little, in French you would call it diaporama, which is when the photos or videos just go around. But anyways, so yes, so watch this space. It's really exciting. I've been working on this project for a long time, and it will include a lot of popular vintage crochet patterns, including shawls, purses, hair accessories, a lot of different things, and I'm very excited about that. So let me know in the comments what you think of this idea. And also, I did plan on releasing it in digital format, but also I was wondering if you would enjoy it in a physical format too. Yeah, just let me know in the comments what you would prefer, because I know that on Amazon you can do both. Obviously I've not looked into it as of yet, but I will. And so just let me know in the comments what you think. Obviously it will be available in digital format, but I was thinking of maybe doing a physical format too, so let me know. And also I wanted to show you new yarn that I bought recently. So this is some of the yarn that I bought recently, and it's from this store in England called Hobbycraft. And I actually don't usually buy yarn in shops anymore, but I did pop to that shop and I saw this yarn, and it was on the clearance section, and I absolutely just loved the look of it, and that's exactly what I was looking for a new shawl pattern that I'm planning on making. And I wanted to buy some mohair yarn, but then I saw this yarn, which is by Knitcraft, Oh My Fluff Fashion, and it looks like mohair, but it's not. It's 62% acrylic, 38% polyamide. And also, if I did use this for a project, I would, of course, be giving you details on a replacement, like a substitute yarn you could use in America, for example, or internationally, so don't worry. But this was on clearance, and I think each ball of yarn was £1 or £1.50. And I bought four balls, but they're very fluffy, so it's only 50 grams, but it looks like there's a big quantity of yarn. It's shade cream, and it does say that it's 390 meters long, which is so long. That's over 400 yards in international terms. And it does say that it recommends a 4mm crochet hook, which I'm assuming they mean this is a DK weight yarn. When I look at it, it just does look finer than a DK weight yarn, but I've never used a fluffy yarn before in that kind of range and size, so I can't comment on what crochet hook I would use as of yet, but I would probably use a 4mm crochet hook, but maybe the fluffiness would make it bigger, if that makes sense, or thicker. Well, let me know in the comments what you think and if you've ever used that type of yarn, and I'm very excited about this project. I also bought this yarn, which is what I would call a more basic yarn, but I love it. You know how much I love this type of yarn. This is paint box yarn, sorry, Simply Aran, and they had a sale online the other day. So I bought quite a few skeins of yarn in different colors in this range, Aran. These are really good. I love them. I did buy 5 in this shade, which is called online something like mocha or coffee bean, something to that extent. It's so pretty. I am going to be making a man scarf with this. Let me know in the comments if you would enjoy that soon. I know that my most popular videos at the moment on YouTube are man scarves, so I will be crocheting a new version. I'm hoping to do it very soon because I know that people are crocheting Christmas gifts, so maybe I will try and get that up next week. I'm not really sure. But yes, so this is 100% acrylic, 201 yards, and as you know, I just love this yarn. It's so perfect for a man scarf. Especially if it's a gift. You don't know if people can be allergic or whatever to like maybe wool yarn. So I do feel that acrylic is really good for that. I know acrylic yarn sometimes is a bit controversial. A lot of people don't like it, but personally I do love acrylic yarn because I feel that it's great because it's so soft. It's really versatile, and also it's really light. So once you've crocheted it, it's really light, and that's a huge plus for me because I don't like wearing cardigans that weigh 5 kilos, if that makes sense. I just feel weighed down if a garment is too heavy. So yes, that's my personal preference. But let me know in the comments what you prefer. And I did buy 5 balls of this color, and then I bought 5 balls of this color because I thought that was really cute. I think this is color Rose Tea. I have used this before. It's kind of a very light lilac shade, and they were on sale, like really, like I think 40% off. So I could not let it pass up, so I did buy 5 balls of this yarn too. I did buy this cream yarn, Bonus Aran Hayfield. I think because they were out of stock in Paint Box. This is very similar. It's 100 grams, it's 100% acrylic, so very similar shade cream. And the reason why I bought this is because I use a lot of cream for borders, edges. I am planning on crocheting some projects using, yes, cross stitching. Sorry about that. So I am planning on crocheting a few projects featuring some cross stitch patterns on them, so watch this space for the winter. I think those look extra special. So yes, so I needed this. Come to find out, sorry my lights have gone out, I apologize. Come to find out I had a lot of cream Aran yarn in my stash, but that's okay because I'm constantly using it and that's fine. So yes, so I did buy more yarn, but I can't find it this morning for this video. I did buy again some yarn on sale, and it was fashion yarn. I think it was a blue shade, and it was very similar to this one, but it did have little glittery parts in it. Not glittery parts, but little like physical, in French you might say paillettes. But anyways, I can't think of the word and I can't think of the yarn, but I've never crocheted that type of yarn and I thought it would be fun. And again, it was on clearance in a shop next to my house and I think it was £1 a ball. And I think I might have bought 4 balls, which was £4. I'll show you it if I find it. I mean, obviously I will find it. It's just with Christmas coming, my house is a bit like I've had to tidy stuff up and everything. But yes, sorry, I'm babbling. So yes, I've never used that type of yarn. So I thought for that price, you know what, I'm going to take the risk and test it. So you might see a cute little shawl coming up on the channel with that yarn. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used that type of yarn. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.